In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Udemy. Whether you're preparing to dive into a new course or just checking your progress, logging into Udemy is straightforward and easy. Let's walk through the steps together and get you signed in smoothly and efficiently. To start, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser on your computer or device. This could be any browser you're comfortable with, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Once your browser is up and running, direct yourself to udemy.com by simply typing it into the address bar and hitting enter. This will take you straight to Udemy's homepage. Now that you're at the homepage, keep your eyes peeled for the login option. You'll find it waiting for you in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and give that button a click. This is where the magic begins. At this juncture, you'll need to fill in some details. Start with your email address, the one you used when you first signed up for Udemy. Make sure you enter it correctly and thoroughly. If by chance you've forgotten your email, try other email addresses you may have used. Once your email is entered, it's time to focus on your password. Type in your password with care, ensuring each character is correct. If you're typing frantically, slow down a bit to ensure accuracy. Following this, you'll want to click the Login button. With a successful click, you should be well on your way into the vibrant world of Udemy courses. But what if you're accustomed to more convenient logins? Well, Udemy has got you covered. If you've linked your account to Google, Facebook, or Apple, you can opt to log in via these platforms. Simply click the corresponding button next to each option, Google, Facebook, or Apple, and follow the prompts. It's a quick and seamless alternative for those who prefer it. And there you have it. By now, you should be comfortably logged into Udemy, ready to embark on your learning journey. Whether you're diving into a new course or simply revisiting one, your portal to knowledge is just a few clicks away. If, for some reason, you encounter difficulties or receive an error message, double-check the email and password for typos and try again. That's all for today's guide on logging into Udemy. Happy learning, and we hope you find plenty of courses that inspire and educate you.